Good morning, students. In the previous class, we were doing about exercise number 3.3. In that, we have completed three of the examples. Let us move to the question number 4 now. Question number 4. What is the question? Numbers 1 to 10 are written as separate slips. One number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of? So in a box, 10 slips have been put in a box, and each slip is having numbers from 1 to 10. Each slip is having numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, now. So, and we have tilted it, and we have to find out, the first one, that is getting a number 6. Now, the first one is getting a number 6. So probability, you're right, probability of getting number 6. Now, how many slips are there? In all, how many slips are there? That is 10. In all, 10 slips are there. How many slips are there of having written as 6? As I already told you, the slips have been numbered from 1 to 10. Totally there are 10 slips, and each slip is having a different number, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that up to 10. So I am asking you, how many slips are there of having number 6? You know, it is only one. It can be only one. So 1. So 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. So the first question is, getting a number 6 is total there are 10. So you don't know which that number could be. If you tried it, so 10 times, you may get it. In between also you may get it, but out of 10 chances, once you may get only 6. It cannot happen twice. It cannot happen thrice. It cannot happen 4 times. Isn't it? It can happen in the one time. That for that only, that is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. So now this is the probability of getting number 6 is 1 upon 10. That's it. Now the second question. What is the second question now? Getting a number less than 6. Getting a number less than 6. So less than 6 means what? The numbers are from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. So now, total, now how many? First of all, you have to write probability of getting less than what? 6. Less than 6. Okay, less than 6. So now count less than 6. What are the numbers which are less than 6? That is 1. Okay, now that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 are less than 6. Less than 6. So now, total there are 10 numbers. Out of those, less than 6 are 5 numbers. That is 5 ones are, 5 twos are. If it is possible, then only cancel. Otherwise, there is no need to cancel. Just, so probability of getting less than 6 is 1 upon 2. Or even you can write 5 upon 10. Or even you can write 5 upon 10. Now, third question. Getting a number greater than 6. Now again you have to write like this. Probability of getting more than 6 or greater than 6. In all, we know there are 10 chances, 10 numbers are there. So what are the numbers? Those are more than 6, greater than 6. 7 is greater than 6, 8 is greater than 6, 9 is greater than 6, and 10 is greater than 6. 10 is greater than 6. So there are only 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 upon 10. If you can cancel it, 2 2s are 2 5s are. That is 2 divided by 5. So now we can write 2 upon 5. Now the last question, fourth one. Getting a one digit number. Probability of getting one digit number. What is a one digit number? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10 is not a one digit number. 10 is a two digit number. 10 is a two digit number. So, how many numbers are there? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, these are the one digit number. 1, 2, 3, 1 to 9. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 6 and 9. So, there are 10 numbers. Out of them, 9 are one digit number. Out of those, 9 are one digit number. I think you understood the question and the answer given. Okay, this is how we have to do it now. Now let us do the fifth example now. I think you understood it. Now the next question. That is fifth question. If you have a spinning wheel, spinning wheel, spinning wheel with three green sectors. So now a spinning wheel is here now. I'll draw it. Now 1, 2, 3. There are 3 spinning wheels. Green, green, green. One blue and one is red sector. So there are five colors in it. Out of those, 3 colors are green and one is red and one is blue. Is a spinning wheel. What is the probability of getting a green sector? So probability of getting a green sector. Total, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally there are 5 sectors. Out of those, how many green are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Probability of getting a green sector is 3 upon 5. So what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Probability of getting a non-blue sector. Totally there are how many sectors? 5 sectors. Non-blue, other than blue, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. So that is 4 upon 5. Non-blue sectors, there are 4. That is 4 upon 5. So now this is the fifth question now. Now we'll move to the last question, that is sixth question. Find the probabilities of the events given the question number 2. Now move to question number 2 now. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event. Now, but you have to find out probabilities. The first question now. Probability of getting a prime number. First of all, you have to write probability of getting a prime number. Prime number. If it is a dice, so it has six numbers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So So out of these, so what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 are called prime numbers, and 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. So there are 3 numbers. So that is 3 upon 6. Or you can, if it is possible, cancel it. That is 1 upon 2. The answer. What is the second question in that? Not a prime number. Not a prime number. Probability of non-prime number. Non-prime number. So totally there are 6 non-prime numbers. 1, 4 and 6. 1, 4 and 6. Totally there are, in a dice there are 6. So out of these 3 are prime numbers and these 3 are non-prime numbers. That is 3, that is 1 upon 2 again. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, if we cancel it is like that. Third one, a prime number greater than 5. A number greater than 5. Probability of greater than 5. Greater than 5. Again, 6 is the answer because there are 6. So greater than 5. So total 1 to 6 are there. Greater than 5 is only 1. That is 6. So that is 1 upon 6. The last one. A number not greater than 5. Probability of not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. Not greater than 5. It means what? That is less than 6. Not, or you can even write not greater than 5 or less than 6. How many are there? Total 6. Not greater than 6, 1 to 5. That is 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6 is the answer. So this is how, so you can understand the answers. 5 upon 6. So thus we have completed the topic, that is data handling. Okay now. So now today we shall start the new topic, that is cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Okay now. Now let us start cubes and cube roots. As we already know, square and square roots. Square and square roots. In the same way, cubes and cube roots can be calculated. Cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. So now, for example, so what you done for square roots, cubes, square roots for squares, 2 twos are 4. This is a square. This is square of 2 square. 2 square of 4 is square of 2. In the same way, for example, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. It means 5 square. 4 into 4, 16. This is 4 square. 10 into 10, 100. That is 10 square. So these are all squares. 4 is square of 2. 25 is square of 5. 16 is square of 4. 100 is square of 10. Like that. Now we are talking about cubes now. So means if you, square means 2 times. You have to multiply any number by 2 times. If it is a cube, you have to multiply it 3 times. 2 into 2 into 3. 3 times it is. How much it is? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Or you can write 2 3 times. 2 cube. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. In the same way, if you write 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So this is 3 cube. If it is 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. This is 4 cube. Now in the same way, 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times. So 125. This is 5 cube. So this is the way. If you means any number, if it is multiplied by 3 times, if it is multiplied by 3 times, so what will happen? That is, such numbers are called cubes. So now 8 is cube of 2. So how can you write it? So now cube root. Now here cube root means square root means you are writing like this. If it is cube root, you are writing it here 3. Cube root of 8 is 2. Now same thing, cube of 27. Now again you have to write here 3. That is 3. Now cube root of, cube means you have to write 3 here. That is what? 64. What is cube root of 64? It is 4. This is 125. It is 5. Cube root 1010. So now for square root, what we used to write? Just see, 4 is 2. 16 is 4. 25 is 5. So we are not writing anything in the inside the sign, square root sign. Whereas if it is a cube root, here you have to write 3. Here you have to write 3. So first of all, we shall understand what do we mean by cubes. What do we mean by cubes? So these are the example, few of the examples. What are squares and what are cubes? Okay, now let us understand the definition of cubes, and we shall discuss more about it. Okay, now. So now first, okay, now first of all, definition of cubes. Cubes. If any number is multiplied thrice. If any number is multiplied thrice, then the result will be a cube. Will be a perfect cube. For example, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 10 cube 1000. So cube means if any number is multiplied thrice, means 3 times. If any number is multiplied and the result what we get is called a cube, or you can call it as a perfect cube. And we shall write, and as I already told you, For squares, you need to remember up to 25 minimum. And for this cubes, you need to remember minimum 10 cubes. 10 cubes. So now I'll write some of the cubes, important cubes that you have to remember. Okay now. Let us write it now. I have already written for now cubes from 1 to 10. Okay now, cubes from 1 to 10. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 289, I think. 7 cube. So just multiply 7. 343 it is. Now 8 cube. 8 cube. That is 512. 9 cube. 729. And 10 cube is 1000. So minimum you have to remember these cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. If anybody asks you what is the cube root of cubes of 4, that is you have to write 64. Cube of 9, that is 729. Cube of 7, 343. Cube of 6, 206. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 10, that is 1000. So in this way you need to remember. These are the few cubes that you need to remember for your further calculation. Okay, now just write it down, all these questions, and even you can try to write up to 20. 11 cubes how much? You already know the square of 11, that is 121. 11 into 11, 121. Again that 121 should be multiplied by 11. In the same way, what is 12 square? That is 144. And if it is 12 cube, what you have to write? You have to multiply 144 into 12 only again. In the same way, any number, if it is multiplied 3 times, then that will be called as a cube of any number, that number. So now there are some important facts about cubes that I will tell you now. Okay, now okay. So now in the squares, what we have done. For example, if any number is, we need to find out if given number is a perfect cube, then what we have to do. If a given a number is there, if it is given, and if we need to find out whether it is a perfect cube or not, so what we have to do. So what we used to do in squares and square roots. So what we used to do, first of all, what we used to do, we used to find the factors, prime factors. And after that, what we used to do, we used to pair the numbers. In the squares we used to pair two numbers, whereas in the cubes we need to pair for three numbers. Then only it is possible to find the perfect cubes. Okay, now let us do some of the examples. Okay, now first of all you need to find out how many, for example, let us take one number. Let us take one number that is 392. That is 392. So what we have to find out? So find, check whether this number is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. You have to check it. That is 392. So what is the way? First of all, you need to find the factors of this, prime factors. You know how to find it per prime. See, being the last number is even number, so start it from 2. 2 1s are 1 remaining 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining 6. 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 9s are 7 7s are 7 1s are. So now these are the numbers. What are the factors of 392? 392. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. By looking at these numbers, now I told you to be a cube, we have to pair three numbers. Same type numbers, same, that we have to group it into three, pairing three numbers. So now you see here, 2 we have pair, that is 3. Now, so now you can see the sevens. There are only 2 sevens. It means it is not a perfect cube. It is not a, to be a perfect, it should have another 7, another 7. Then it could be a perfect cube. In this way, you can calculate. Now let us try it another number, and so that you can understand. Another number is 3375. 3375. There is a number. Now you need to find out. Whether this number is a perfect cube or not. So we know the method, that is 3375. So what you have to do? Find the prime factors of this number. So last number is 5. It means it should be divided by 5 only. 5 6 are 30, 3 remaining 37, 5 7 are 35, 2 remaining 5 5 are 25. 5 are again 5 is there 5. 5 1s are 1 remaining 17, 5 3s are 15, 2 remaining 5 5s are 25. 5 are 5 2s are 10, 3 remaining 35, 5 7s are 35. 3s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So now the factors of 3375 are 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. So now pairing is 3. So now you could see here, they are perfectly 3 3. So whatever the factors are there, the factors are now paired into 3. So now, so if they are paired correctly, it means the given number is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. So perfect cube of what? So that you can write like this: 3375. So you have to write all these numbers: 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now this is pairing. So now cube root of 3375 equal to, take out 1 from it, take out 1 from it. So 15. Now cube root of 3375 is 15. Cube root of 3375 is 15. Or this number is cube of 15. This number 3375 is cube of this number. Or you can write 15 cube. is equal to 3375. If you multiply 15 three times, the answer will be 3375. This is how we can find out the cubes and the cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Another number will take it. Another number, that is 1728. This is a number. Now again, what you have to do? First of all, you need to find out the prime factors of this number, 1728. Now let us find out the prime factors of this number. Being last number is even number, so divide it by 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 remaining, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are again even, 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are again even, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are again 2 10s are 2 8s are again 2 5s are 2 4s are again 2 27s are again 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So what are the factors of 1728? So 1720 factors of 1728 are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 and 3 thrice. 1 2 3. The factors of 1728 are this much. So now you if you wanted to find out what is the this number is cube of which number? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 2, 2 and 3. That is 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. So now if you write 12 cubes, if you multiply 12 3 times, you will get 1728. If you get the cube of 12 cube is equal to 1728. In this way, you can easily calculate the cube of any number through prime factorization. And if the numbers are not pairing, then you can say the given number is not a perfect cube. Okay. So in the next coming class, we will solve many examples regarding this, and so that you can in between you can try many more examples, so that you can easily understand in the next class what all we are going to teach about. Okay, thank you.